Hi, I'm back with a box. The feedback that I got from the unboxing the clock video was phenomenal. So I decided I had to bring back another box to show with you guys because I know how much you all like boxes. It's a pretty cool thing to like. I like boxes too. So we should unbox this one together. I waited just for you guys so that I can open this box. Let's do it. By the way, they left a notice on my door. They tried to deliver the box on Sunday. I don't know about you guys, but I've never had mail attempt to deliver on Sunday. I thought Sunday was the day that they don't deliver mail. So I really don't know what's going on. I mean, I know Canada Post was on a strike, and then it really throws me off. They're trying to deliver my box on Sunday. Not only that, but they wrote my name, Lion, on the doorknob tag. Lion Mesa, Lyon. Like, that's way off. But they still let me pick up the box, even though this box was technically for Lion Mesa, whoever that is. Oh, it comes with these air puffs. These things are great, but they're so pointless. But they're so much fun. If anyone can think of a good use for these, other than filling in boxes, please let me know, because I just think they're a lot of fun. They even, yeah, they kind of stick to you with the static. So yeah, actually, I just ordered a box filled with these things. It was so fun! That's what I do after work every time. Okay. No, actually, we have different things in this box. I don't know if I want to unbox the other boxes yet, like right now, or if I want to wait to unbox the other boxes another time, because I don't want to give it all away in one video, you know? Because there's some cool stuff in here. So I'm going to start with some vitamins. I got green tea, and I got coenzyme Q10. I'm gonna use these somehow. There's a way to take these vitamins. Green tea is great, especially, you know, if you like green tea, you don't have time to make one, you're in a hurry, whatever. Just pop one of these. You had a green tea already. You don't even have to wash a mug. So that's kind of cool. I'll see how those things go. Ooh, yes. This is my Bluetooth shower speaker that I wanted because I like to listen to music in the shower and have one that's waterproof so I can touch it with my hands all wet and it doesn't really matter. Are you still filming? Hey, still filming. I also got a humidifier filter. Pretty excited about that. Yesterday I cleaned out my humidifier. It was really gross. And I got this, which also comes in a box, and it's it looks kind of like an onion, but it is also a mini humidifier, and you can put essential oils in it. So it comes with a charger, and it comes with this thing that looks like an onion. That's kind of cool. I'm excited about it. You put water in, you know, you let it do its thing. I am excited. It's exciting times. But I have this box. Maybe I'll reuse it for other unboxing videos because, you know, not everything comes in boxes. but I know how much you guys love boxes, so I can make it in boxes to make it a little more interesting for you. So just keep that in mind going forward. Now that we discussed it, it shouldn't be an issue. Okay? Boxes. Hey guys, so if you like my box, maybe you also like my video, you can like my channel, you can follow it.